This is a video that I'd like to call Friends Don't Let Your Friends Reload Your Ammo. This is unbelievable. This is a gun that's been in my collection for many years. As you can see, it's blown up. It is blown up in many ways. It looks to be that the ammo was so hot that it actually popped off the three surrounding rounds. It blew the case out of that one. And look at that top strap, unbelievable. This is a testament to how well Smith and Wesson builds their 38s. I mean, this is crazy. This blew this out, and according to the gentleman that shot this gun, no damage incurred. The shooter was wearing safety glasses so that there was no damage there. There was just some scratches to the gentleman's hand, his shooting hand, but otherwise, look at that gun. I mean, that's crazy. That sucker blew that round up and blew the surrounding rounds up, so now the ammo, the cylinder can't even turn because there is still rounds in there. Crazy. Hard to believe that somebody blew that sucker up that bad and nobody was hurt. But Smith and Wesson, good job. I mean, look at that top strap. That's crazy how far that thing stretched without hurting anybody. And that cylinder just blew apart. Unbelievable. Don't let your friends reload your ammo. Do your own reloading and pay attention.